here downtown. Ang akon nga bangs galupad. Main character na siya Perme kung ari kuya. Kay Perme lang siya may kasunod nga kamera. Ay! I-post ko?
I-post ko birthday ko.
Fit check! It's so very hot. Init. We're gonna ride the water taxi. Thank you.
And one more to get you up. Slowly making its way on over to David Pier.
Init.
Chill outside left there, so the white box in front of the house. Hold on, Jim.
We're going to Navy Pier.
Welcome to summer in Chicago. We're still wearing sweater.
Ikaw lang na yan.
It's windy. Oh, kuda ka muda.
Wow.
Next pose. Rocky. Okay.
Ang bangs ko galupad.
Pailan ng box.
Kapangita ko yan, kapangita ko shade eh. Wala sila yan nainitan. I'm like the only one looking for shade. Ooh, smells so good. Calamari.
Hindi pwede naka-agil. Magita. Mabakto kami sa paras kulay.
Thank you.
Paper towel. Prosciutto and
Wow. 2 pizza here.
namin sila nung katlay.
Gusto ko sila.
Gusto ko sila ng tawon. This is the one I'm gonna try.
Daniel.
Danieta.
Robert's Pizza. This one is on my
Namian ko kay
list.
Namian ko kay Lara.
Oo. Ay sila bala sa bisan nami ang gnarly kito powerful eh. Tapos mga pakit nila ang mga
Touch.
Oo.
Good ha.
Do mga yun. Ay
Tumatawag nila hype
no, sa ano idaan na face, do ka ano sa mataya, tungod sa iya bala na ano. Namian ko kay Denise pero namin ko balang iya do feeling ko tama ka do ka taas bala or ano.
Namet?
Gusto mo ba? Pero ang ako, hindi na ano, grabe, ang recovery.
Ooh, smells so good. I don't know. Wow! I would get this if may ma-share sa akong ba. Get tourist.
This is my new favorite lemon tea.
I haven't tried this one, but I tried the 2-chip chocolate chip. I wanna try that one.
Yeah.
First bite.
Pero lagi sa ano? Rosemont? Laderay?
Ang ladere.
Rosemont?
It's not too sweet.
Sayot din namin. Pag din na lang.
Ano ni lemon?
Ako yung mahiyak kay order talaga may punta mga
River.
Picture din yun namin. Yung picture.
Ano nga, nag-video na kami ni Jian.
Ang background naman.
Kainat! Pa-picture naman sila. Okay. Hi guys, so we're here nasa Rosemont Theater. And we're going back sa car because hindi pa si Marie magpila ang amon gabi ni Maoy. Nakaboots. Laba pa, slight ang pila. So we're gonna go back sa car and just wait there for like an hour. Kind of hungry. Finally going in. Namin lang din sa US na to concert kay you don't need to pila. You don't need to be super early. Yeah. That outfit check, Bini Maoy. Ikaw yan? Bini Laoy. Bini Maoy kag si Bini Laoy. Wala. Merch line is here. So they give us this. You made it, Bini! Woo! Bini Maoy! Ang laoy!
Kahit na kami.
Oh, gani. Taasin mo ba?
Belongs sa weave.
Guys, I feel like nagpulit na kami sa Pilipinas. Filipino represent. There's so many people.
Mas may kilala ko dito.
Philippine!
It's Derek Lauren.
Ano, picture pa ta.
Baka Derek Lauren?
Si Big Brother.
Ako yung report. Si Bini. Si Bini ma. Kasi si Bini na. O yan.
The picture gonna go in now.
Bini made it.
Okay, this is the venue. Yeah,
Oy.
Ay. What? We're here. Okay, so we're in front of the stage, literally.
Guys, mag-perform ako na dito ba?
Masaot din si Mokyo. Oh my gosh. It's so close. We're kind of excited now. Are you excited? Kinakinadlawan kaya nila kay di ba saot ko nila tapos ang medyas ko isa lang di oh.
Na-realize na wala na kami.
Wapo.
Wala pa sa media.
Happy ka mo? Happy ka mo?
Grabe ganyan adlaw pag hindi ko sa lakit siya.
Gani. Guys, Bini is not on time. It's 7:44 and wala pa ka-start. They said it's gonna start 4:30. Pero 15 minutes na wala pa kaya. just finished watching Beanie. It was so fun. Pero so fast. Lastig lang like 1.5 hours. 1.5 Yeah. And then...
Guys, anan kami sa 3-hour concert.
Yeah, it's so fast.
Like, it was so fun. But it was good.
Pero sa Jagdya, like, we were super
We're gonna get
close.
McDonald's and eat at home.
Anyway, we're gonna get McDonald's. And what was your favorite part? Kasi ayaw, Di kami lang to ga-wave like that. Sa first nga.
Guys, si Bini Ayag, nag-hike siya sa kapilagi siya magtuon.
Yeah, kapila.
Side. Pili ko na yung punch sa salmon.
Feeling ko i-recruit kanila.
Feeling ko siya ang next member.
Si Bini Maoy.
Anyway.
Guys, bisa ko lang ako talent fee. Drink.
May coke-plot sila.
Can we get Coke? Oh, wala. Coke.
Coke?
Yep.
Okay. You good?
That's it.
This one, thank you.
Thank you.
So, we got McDonald's. Ano mambal mo sa McDo nila, di?
Lilaway.
Dala,
Chicken
dala,
burger.
dala.
Oh, wala sauce. Ano naman?
Bebe.
Oh, wala gid yun. Dahil duwa ka pickles. Sumusubo. Mahal pa.
I have my quarter pounder. This is why I get a quarter pounder. Kaya mo nang namin.
May sauce na?
Next time.
May
May sauce.
Ano lang, ano
Wala ketchup, mano. Yung pigado.
Out of 5.
I would rate it a 4 out of 5.
4.5 out of 5.
Like an
Because
8.5 out of 10.
it's so bitten.
First of all, they were late.
Ganyan to ketchup mo, Mark?
They said 7:30, pero it started at 8. And then-
Vlog siya. Bye guys. That's the end.
And then, what happened? Ang concert itself is like 1 hour and a half. Pero, it was so good. Sa jazz, and like,
Good performers.
nag-hi sa amon si Aya.
Promise.
As in, like, kami lang itong ga-wave. So, sino pag ito biban ng mga wave?
Sa likod yung uroy.
Kami lang.
Ibigay na.
As in, promise. Nasa ako joke.
Kaya kita on, lead kami daan sa stage. Kaya daw may space, balahaw.
Sa aisle kita sa aisle.
Yeah. Mayo lang, organized. Bakit balahaw wala nila, ginapakado sa front naman. Anyway.
Ano ginaya? Ano yung saya?
I think that's it for today's video.
Ano daw ayang McDo? McDo is 3 out of 5.
McDo is just,
Si Bono na, tini pa nga niya.
it's the same.
No, McDo is better
In the Philippines.
They are missing out.
No coke float, no chicken, no chicken fillet,
No rice.
no rice.
Chicken burger, wala mayonnaise.
Ala King, they don't have it.
Wala shake fries.
So,
Wala curly fries.
mantinere lang kami sa McDo. Bye.